So I want to frame this series very clearly because I don't want the next 12 weeks to feel like we're just talking about relationships in 3 different ways, right? Because we're not. Each 4 weeks is going to build on the 4 weeks prior to. Okay. So right here, right now, going forward into the next 4 weeks is going to be all about that relational authority, leading without losing yourself. Right? So it's all about self-leadership inside of your relationships. It's about where you lose yourself, where you overcarry, where your boundary system wobbles, cracks a leak, right? Where are you over functioning? Where you start to do that emotional labor for 2 people, right? Or more. And where you're handing your authority away when you're in contact with other beings, right? Then we'll flow into authenticity without apology. So once you start staying with yourself more cleanly, then the next question, logically to me anyway, right, becomes, can you show up, right? Can you show who you are yourself honestly, right? Can you tell your truth, the truth, without shrinking? Can you receive feedback without collapse or all of the standard defensiveness? Can you be transparent without exploding? And can you communicate without performance? Which will take us directly into energetic reciprocity, the currency of connection, right? Once there's more self-leadership and more honesty, right? Like, I believe that communication and assertive communication is open, honest, genuine, transparent, and authentic. Okay. So once there's more self-leadership and more honesty, we get to look at exchange. Right? Can you give without overextending? Can you receive from someone? Right? Can you receive without experiencing guilt? Can you notice where the connection has become too expensive for you? Can you recalibrate a relationship without harboring resentment? So as you can see, right, like we're going somewhere.